be invisible and spread out everywhere, to help in secret ways without you knowing I am there. I'd like to be invisible and spread out everywhere, to help in secret ways without...
You're welcome. Today we're taking a very, very important sound in English. You better don't miss this one. This sound is of vital importance in English language. This sound is produced. Did you get it? Is a very vital sound in English. Your lips are spread, your tongue is curved, and the tip of the tongue rises up to the center in the mouth as the sound comes out. To most second language users of English, they just can't produce this sound. And so the tendency is for them to substitute this sound with the sound eh. No, that's not globally acceptable. Because if you do that, you will be mispronouncing a lot of words. And your listeners will find it difficult to understand exactly what you're trying to say. So let's pick a lot of word examples. W-O-R-D. Word. Word. W. The O-R here is saying and the D. Put it together. Word. 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 Not ward. Not ward. Because if you say ward, then I might think you're trying to pronounce W-A-R-D. But W-O-R-D falls in this category. Word. And look at this. G-I-R-L. How do you pronounce? Girl. 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 G-I-R-L. Girl. And look at this. B-I-R-D. Bird. 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 And look at this. C-H-U-R-C-H. Church. 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 And look at this. S-E-R-V-E. Serve. 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 Like I told you, this is a very important sound in English. You can't run away from it. You can't hide away from it. You have to find a way to produce the sound effectively. And if you're having challenges with this, just look down the YouTube link where you are right now and scroll down, and you can find the segment on practice, drills, and exercises. And we can play with the sound as often as possible so that you can have a better pronunciation of this beautiful English sound. More examples? Early. Early. Bird. Worship. Worship. You know, sometimes I hear people say worship when they really want to say worship. So when you keep talking about worship, what comes to my mind is the American worship, the British or naval worship, instead of saying worship. So thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching this video. And we hope if you're a second language user of English that you found this video very helpful. And if you find it helpful, please help us. Share it so that more of your friends can see what we are trying to accomplish. And do not forget, if you already haven't done so, click that button And you know the button I'm talking about? Subscribe, so you can have more of this. Thank you very much, and